Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a very interesting topic, that is common multiples and LCM. Okay? Let us first see what are common multiples. From the name itself, you know, common means it must be the same for two numbers. Now, children, you know how to find multiples, isn't it? So from that we will find common multiples. So let us start writing the multiple of 2. So how will we write the multiple of 2? So I'm going to write first the multiple of 2. Okay? So what will I write? I will write multiple, multiples, multiples of 2. Let us write the multiples of 2. So what do you have to say? You will have to say the table of 2, isn't it? So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are, sorry, this should be 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, and how long can I write? It can go on and on. So I am putting a dot. Okay. Next I will be writing, children, the multiples of 3. So the multiples of 3. So to write the multiples of 3, what do you have to write? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. And how long can it go on? It can go on and on. So I have put a dot. Now, children, today our topic is common multiples. Okay, so not just multiples, common multiples. So now I have written the multiple of 2 and the multiples of 3. I have to find common multiples of 2 and 3. So what will I have to write? I will have to write common multiples of 2 and 3. Common multiples. Common मतलब क्या? जो दोनों में हो. Okay, common multiples of 2 and 3. Now I will have to see कि दोनों में ऐसे कौन मल्टीपल्स हैं जो दोनों में है. सो लेट मी फाइंड आउट. ये पूरा देख लो. 2 4 6 8 10 12, 3 6 9 12 15 18. ओके, और डॉट डॉट भी है. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट विल आई राइट? सी हियर 6 इज कॉमन. 6 इज देयर इन 2 and 6 is there in 3. Clear? What is the next number? 12 is there in 2 and 12 is there in 3. So what are the common multiples? Common multiples are 6 and 12. But children, can you guess the other ones? I have not written many, but can you guess कि अगला common multiple कौन हो सकता है? If I had written this one even longer, तो क्या होता? 12, what would have been the next number? 14, 16, 18, isn't it? So 18 will come in the table of 2 and 18 comes in the table of 3 also. So here I can write 18 also, isn't it? And like this also you will have infinite numbers. Common multiples भी infinite होते हैं. Okay, so that is why I have put here dot dot dot. So 6, 12, 18, and after 18 you will get 24. Okay, so all the numbers, all the common multiples I cannot write. So I have written here 6, 12 and 18. Now the second part of our topic today, that is LCM. Children, the LCM, the full form of LCM is least, or you can also call it as lowest. Lowest common multiple. What is the meaning of lowest or least? You know only in English, least means सबसे छोटा, lowest means सबसे छोटा. So what is the least one? Which one is our least number out of the common multiple? Common multiples कौन कौन से हैं? 6, 12 and 18. And what is the lowest of that? What is the least one? The smallest one is 6. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Did you understand how we found it? Let us do one more, okay? Then it will be clear. So your question will come like this. The question will be like this, okay? Find the LCM of 3 and 4. This will be your question. Find the LCM of 3 and 4. So what will you write? How will you write the answer? First you are going to find the multiple. So what will be your solution? First you will find the multiple of 3. So let us write the multiple of 3 first. LCM of 3 and 4 you have to take. So first I will write the multiples of 3. Okay, so multiples of 3 फटाफट लिख देते हैं. Multiples of 3 क्या क्या है? Table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. Okay, let me write it a little longer. 18, then 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, and then I'm going to put dot dot because it is going to be very long. Okay, then I have to write the multiple of 4. So the multiples of 4 are, you have to write the table of 4. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36. And how long can it go? So I am putting a dot dot dot. Now what you have to do, children? You have to find the common multiples. इनके common multiples कौन कौन से हैं? ऐसे numbers जो दोनों में हो. So 3 6 9 12. You see 12 is there in both of them. So 12 12. Then comes next is 24 24. Can you guess the third one, children? 12 24 12 24. इसके बाद क्या common निकलेगा? Do you have any idea? Yes, the next common number will be 36, because this 36 will be there in the table of 3 also, because 3 12s are 36. Okay, so let us write the common multiples first. That is how we should write the steps. We will write first the common multiples. The common multiples. Okay, the common multiples of 3 and 4. What are they? You have just found out. We will write 12, 24, 36, and then we are going to put dot dot dot. Why? Because there can be many answers. Okay, and LCM. What is the LCM? Which is the lowest one? That is the LCM. The least one is the LCM. So सबसे छोटा कौन है? 12. So what is the LCM? The LCM is the lowest common multiple, or the least common multiple is 12. Okay, so I think you have understood. Thank you and bye bye.